Welcome. Got a case review for you. The Caseology Nano Pop case in a royal blue color for the new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Now, I did get this case about 24 hours ago. I have been using it for about 24 hours. Just wanted to use it before I did a review on it, just tell you what I like, what I don't like. And right off of the bat, something I absolutely was ecstatic about when I first opened up this box or this case was the grips. They added grips this year. Yay. Last year and every year before that. Now, I had this case, just to let you know, I love this case. I had this case with the S22 Ultra, last year's Galaxy, and I liked it. However, I dropped my phone a couple of times because this is such a smooth feeling case, real nice, soft, almost a silicone feel. However, it's not. And like I was saying, very smooth, right? So when I'm carry it like this. It's been a few times where I'm walking and it just slides right out. To my surprise, this year, and I have not heard anybody mention this in a couple other online reviews, or nor did they mention it on the Amazon item description, which I wish they did. But if you're worried about the same thing, check out what they did this year. They added grips, which is awesome, on either side. Now, it's only on the bottom half here. See where their name is? From here to here. Hear that? And so it's not on the top part. It's only on the bottom part right here. And here's the other side. See where they put the grips? Right here to right here. And it's not on the top, not on the bottom. However, just adding that little bit, as I was using it yesterday, I kept on thinking to myself, man, this is so nice. I can't believe they're not advertising this, because to me, somebody that's very detailed, especially about cases, that was my main gripe about this case. It's so nice. It's so smooth. It feels so good that it wants to leave your hand every time you're walking with it. But not now, not this year. So that's a big plus. Now let's look at the cutouts, and then I'll take it off and we'll look at the construction. We have nice big cutouts for the S Pen speaker. Huge cutout here for the charging port. Should be suitable for any charging cable that you have. And again, nice big S Pen cutout. You got to worry on these name brand cases, not so much. They're pretty good, but on the cheaper cases like China, a lot of times their S Pen cutouts are real small, and you almost have to use the tip of your finger to get it out, or your pinky. But this one's nice and big. Have no issues. And let's see, it does not lift on the screen protector. I wish it did have a little more lip right here. It's got just enough to be able to place your phone screen down and it won't scratch on the surface. But as you can tell, it has not lifted my screen protector, because if you look on this case, when we take it off, it kind of wraps around the screen a little bit like this. And that's good. It means it offers more protection. However, the more it wraps around this way, the more it's going to lift your screen protector up. So I have not, just to be clear, I've not seen any screen protector lift. Oh, check this out. Look down right here. I have the screen defect on my S23 Ultra. Now, I made a video on this, posted it earlier. So if you want to know more about this screen defect, go check out my other video. Yeah, it sucks, but it is what it is. I don't know. That was not due to the case or the screen protector. That's a Samsung issue. But anyways, you have mic cutout on top. You have nice clicky buttons. Let's listen. So those are good. I'm sure wireless charging is fine. Cutouts for the cameras are pretty precise. This is part of the inside. It's a hard plastic. The yellow is, and the blue is the softer TPU. It does offer good camera protection, as you can tell. Bunch of lift. So you're not going to have to worry about damaging the cameras. You can put it down. Won't scratch your cameras. You can put it face down. It won't scratch your screen. So, pretty cool. Now, let's take this off and look at it. So, it's not a two-layered case. It almost kind of looks like it, but it's really not. It's kind of fused together. You have the yellow, which is the polycarbonate plastic. It's the hard plastic. The blue is the TPU. Not silicone. It is a TPU. It's just a smooth feeling TPU. It does feel a little softer than some, but you can't dig your fingernail in here. Those smudges were on here. I tried to clean that with an alcohol wipe. They did not come off. And that was just due to, I think, hand oil, basically, the oils that come off of your hands and fingertips. I may try a soapy solution after this, but let's see. So it does not come apart. It is basically fused together. I know on some of these older ones, you could actually peel that or take it out, but I think this one they did a better job of using glue or whatever to fuse it together. This cool design, good for heat dissipation, allow airflow inside of the case so your phone doesn't overheat. It's a nice looking case. It does flex a little bit, but I'm not using too much force. Just enough, pretty stiff. Not super stiff though, like you see on some, but should offer some decent drop protection. I know it says on their Amazon item description, it dropped it over 26 times. I think it was at a height of 48 inches, which is 4 feet, and it did not break. So, and again, who knows if those claims are true? There's nobody, double checking them. So, but that's what they claim. 26 times at 48 inches, nothing broke. So that is a little over waist height. So I would definitely say it's suitable for indoor usage, gym usage, office usage. And I did take this outside the house yesterday, so I think it should be fine for outdoor use, especially with these grips now. Shouldn't leave your hand or anything like that. So cool. But I will link this item in the description down below, and I do appreciate the time. Thank you.